For those of you who don't know us, I'm Nina and this is my husband Om. We have two boys here at Songbirds, Shivam and Keshav. We've been here for over 4 years now, and now unfortunately it's time for us to leave. The boys will be transferring to a new school in September. As sad as it is right now, we couldn't have imagined a better start for these guys. They have been comfortable here with the warm teachers and the family environment. They've been challenged and encouraged to try new things and explore their interests. They've become confident to exert their opinions and take a stance when they believe in something. Starting them here was probably the best decision we made. Here they developed a strong foundation with a crave for learning.
Like us, most of you went through the same thought process of deciding whether to have your kids here or at a public school. When it comes to our children, we always do is question our choices and look for validation that we're doing the right thing. This was the right thing. As parents, it's our goal to give our kids all the right tools and support to help them succeed in life. We invest in RSPs, we talk about mutual funds, we talk about stock, and we forget that our biggest investment is our kids. As parents, it's our duty to make sure our kids are more successful than we are. And if they fail, then it's our failure. Having our kids at Songbird have built a very strong foundation. I know the kids love their school. I know the kids love the teachers. Teachers have so much influence on these children. The teachers have sent us videos of amazing things our kids are doing at school. They have called to check in when our kids are not feeling well. Our kids love the teachers so much and spend so much quality time with them that at times at home, and a few minutes ago, we get called Miss Groovy at home. The teachers do a great job. They deal with our cranky, hyper, not so well-behaved kids. Yet they soldier on, treat our kids with respect and give them the best education they can. I am pretty sure you share a similar experience as we do with the teachers here. Let's take a minute and give all the teachers an applause because they do an amazing job.
You as parents have also done an amazing job by investing your kids here at Songbirds. You've already given them a head start in a very competitive world out there. We're blessed to start them here. We have met a lot of great kids, parents, teachers, and we have so many great memories from our time here. So we just hope we can all keep in touch and we're prepared for the future ahead of us because of this start. So excited. Thank you.